Hey everybody, CD here again. I think this will be about the last one on the Coon Club. I think it's going to be about number 17, number 18. Last one I said I was going to put the tacks in. I didn't have a drill bit. Well, we got it. We're going to put them in there. We're going to finish it up. We're going to call it a day. What we're going to do, the shanks on these tacks are 55 thousandths in diameter. I got a drill bit, 45 thousandths in diameter. We're just going to drill holes. And we're going to pound them in there. Pretty much it. 12 of them, 6 on this side, 6 on this side are going to be in this area. Just taking a wire cutter, the old nip tool. Trimmed them down to the length. I didn't measure anything. If they stick out the inside, I'll just take a Dremel and clean them up. Big deal. Not something to get all bent out of shape about. Let me get the old drill press over here. We'll set up. We'll start doing this. Okay, we got her set up. Like I said last time you watched, I took a center punch. I drew out the pattern. We're going to have the 5 there, 5 there, about 12, 13 down each side. We're just going to give them a little bit of a hole, a little bit of an advantage. I've tried pounding these into some other tacks and some other pieces of wood. Before you get them all in, it'll bend over. If you hit them hard enough, drive them straight in. Instead of having a nice round tack, it'll be round with a flat spot. We're just going to give it a little help. There we go, drilling complete. You know, you don't need a press to do this. This could have very well been done with the hand drill, just as easy. But I got a press, so hey, I might as well use it, right? Let me get this out of here. We'll continue. All right, we got the old holes drilled. We got these cut off for length. Originally, I was intending, I was going to glue them in there. Epoxy them in. Uh-oh, crap falling down. You got too much junk on your workbench when that happens. I think I'm just going to pound them in there. And later, if they start to come out, we'll get them out of there. Oh boy. All right, starting to look pretty cocky. That's going to be nice. Got none of them sticking through. That's the end of the short ones. We go to the long ones. Oh yeah, that's a genuine Indian rifle there. Hell yeah. There you are, folks. What do you think of that? A lot of brass, more brass, more brass. The Second Amendment got holes, a perfectly fitting recoil, butt plate, brass screws. Got my tattoo in there. She's looking pretty goddamn sharp. I think I'm going to call it done. I got 2 coats. 2 coats of True Oil on here right now. I'm going to hit this with a t-shirt, shine this brass all up as much as I can. This brass is already coated. Not going to do it any favors. We're going to get these tacks as shiny as we can. We're going to put a couple more layers of True Coat on there, and we're going to call that one done. Thanks a lot, people. It's been like number 18 video you guys been putting up with me for a while. Thanks a million.